Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode day. Gamer Ace here. If you like this episode, please like and subscribe and follow me on comments. Please follow me on my channel and comment on my videos. But without further ado, on with the video. We're going to do a little bit of exploring right now.
Got some brand new items in stock today.
Sure.
Smashing. Now let's just see what items I have for you today.
And
Yes. Yeah.
I'm just going to buy a lot of puzzle keys. Now we have plenty of puzzle keys we can use. Okay.
Alright, Skylander, are you ready to go take down the chef and save that special Phoenix chicken what's-it-bird?
Yep. Let's do it.
Sounds good. And, sure, while I may not be the biggest bird fan in the world, this one does sound pretty special. Kinda reminds me of me, that way.
Ha!
Okay. Departure boom!
Phoenix Sanctuary.
Seeing all these birds kinda reminds me of something.
Ah,
Hey, stranger!
I mean, Tessa.
Tessa.
Hello
She
there.
was
You're looking well.
You're not so bad yourself.
Tessa. She's from Skylanders Trap Team, which was the game before.
When I heard
Swap
that evil
team.
Chef Pepperjack was coming after the Phoenix chicken, I came up here to help protect her. I should have known that the Skylanders would be on the case.
That's right, Tessa. Wherever danger lurks, you are sure to find heroes like us. And since there are no other heroes like us, it's just
Us.
going to be us.
Right. Anyway, I was thinking that we could go scout ahead. Try to find the Phoenix chicken, while the Skylanders take care of the bad guys.
Oh, and on the way, I can catch you up on all the latest adventures and fling the pilot. Spoiler alert. They're all awesome.
Let's roll.
Come on, Skylander, bring me in. I want to fight some bad guys too.
You will. Yeesh, Chompy. Oh, so your trap has a speaker on it, so your trap literally has it where the villains literally talk while they're in the titanium cell. Okay, here we go. Treasure.
Tag, tag.
I need to think of that, choppy puppet. Pretty sweet.
Hey, Skylander! Have you seen any crazy nuts hanging around this place?
I'm sitting right here, you know.
Oh, silly. I wasn't talking about you. I mean these magical boingo nuts that grow here. And if you take one over to a spot like this, kablam! Instant vine bridge.
Tommy Page is all in.
Let's roll.
Breezing through.
Here we go.
Nice.
move.
Skylanders of the tech element are stronger in this zone.
Here we go, next section. Ah, crappy, I didn't catch him.
Skylander, these friendly, non-evil bird copters are having a family reunion. Only problem is that one of the cousins, Buzzerbeak, was locked up inside Cloudcracker Prison and has resumed his evil ways since being set free. But with your unique set of trapping skills, perhaps you can bring Buzzerbeak back to his family where they could make amends.
Sadly, I don't have an air trap yet, so we'll catch him later.
Straight ahead, Troll 2.
Shred not.
Huh?
Shred not. A storm is brewing.
Oh!
Shred the Skylanders.
Shred not defeated.
Put a tech.
Do you think that vortex is a good thing, Troll 2?
Nope.
Ugh, it's so cramped in here, I can't even tell which troll I am. You are Troll 1, I think.
Shred not trapped.
Looks like we work for the Portal Master, Troll 2.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So what do we do now, then? I guess whatever the Portal Master says. Ready, set, go! Redhead's in the house. Nice shredding, Troll 2.
This is another vault version.
We are the Flocker Birds, protectors of the Phoenix Chicken.
We won't let anyone get past us.
Mm-hmm.
Although we have been standing here a long time and are pretty hungry.
Go time.
Skylander, you're low on health.
Ooh, Boingo Bop!
Let's roll.
Skylanders of the light element are
Let's shred.
Quick swap.
Eat this!
Food fight.
Now who's green?
This Skylander's pretty good. Why you Troll 1? You don't want them to get a big head.
The time is right!
Here we go.
Now who's green?
What did I miss? Skylander, kick and tail. I'm gonna pull you down.
So we're gonna switch out from water trap. Snapshot.
I got a funny feeling about this throw, dude. Me too. It's not funny.
I'll take it from here.
There we go.
Yes, I have to admit that when I first saw you teaming up with a bad guy, I was nervous. Nervous and also kind of hungry. But after seeing that and eating a sandwich, I now say boom to this whole arrangement.
Let's roll.
Drop time.
Keys down here.
Oh yeah, I've done this puzzle before. Really? When? It was a time when you weren't there, Troll 2.
Just want the key.
Freeze! Freeze! I aim to freeze.
Chew Bill.
No one's gonna put Chill Bill on us. Yeah! Freeze! Have a chainsaw. Oh yeah! Freeze! Freeze!
And he is down.
Chill Bill defeated.
Remember me as a hero!
Hey! What's going on? It's kind of like I am now the one frozen.
Yep.
I do not appreciate this irony.
Chill Bill trapped.
No prob. I can roll with anything. That's why they call me Chill Bill. That and all the freezing I do. I aim to freeze. Whoa!
Woohoo!
To the skies!
There we go.
Away we go! You ever get that funny feeling like someone is watching you? That's me. Just making sure you're safe. You're welcome.
Oh, that's going in the journal.
Let's roll.
All right, Skylander. Now let's go.
Songbird perch. Quest discovered songbird.
For many years, I trained these birds to sing. But still, they sound terrible. The problem is simple. No bass. What I need
Yeah.
is a bird who can sing baritone. If you can bring me an experienced cuckoo clocker, my choir
Cuckoo
will certainly
clocker.
be not terrible. And you, my friend, will be handsomely rewarded.
Let's roll. So we have to look for cuckoo clocker.
Skylanders of the tech element are stronger in this zone.
Look at him go! Better take a selfie.
Let's roll. Avery's Hives.
What do we have here? Look like a Skylander come to protect his mama bird from the big
Pepper
bad
Jack.
I just want to make an extra spicy omelet and blow everyone up. Is that really such a bad thing? Oh, look like this Skylander don't want us making a spicy omelet anew.
Oh boy.
I know, it all sounds crazy to me. So let's get him.
Let's fight.
Look at it go! Hey, what's the big idea, Chief? Oh! Ooh-wee! Maybe I add a little something new to this bad guy stew. That's no good. This is a bit tougher than I imagined. But like they say, you gotta break eggs if you want to make an omelet. And I do want to make an omelet. Attack! Oh! Looks like this Skylander got a little fight in him. You've proven to be a real onion and ice cream, Skylander.
Who puts onions in ice cream?
In my line of work, it always helps to have a mindset of cutlery. Think these dreadnoughts ought to do. bad guys. Move! Come on, don't be shy. Looks like this recipe calls for more bad guys here, Skylander. And that's okay by me. Think it's time to add my secret ingredient.
Cuckoo clocker.
Smash! Who wants a piece of me?
Cuckoo clocker.
Life trap. Ah.
Ooh, it's getting crowded in here. Not going back to a cave. Oh, my. Whoa, boy. Uh-oh.
Cuckoo clocker out.
Cuckoo Clocker defeated. Guess it's bye-bye Birdie!
Hey, I'm in some kind of cage. Well, might as well start singing that.
Cuckoo clocker trapped.
Clocker trapped.
Me? A good guy? Now that's even more cuckoo.
Hoorah.
Oh, well, that didn't go so good. But I still got one more trick up my sleeve.
It is I! Eos! What? How dare you boo my supreme awesomeness!
Chaos, your so-called awesomeness is not needed round here. I guarantee I have it totally under control.
Ha! Ha, I say! You're just lucky I was passing by. Now observe and see how a true master takes down the Skylanders.
And
Flawlessly completing my cunning plan of sabotage.
Oh, boy.
We saved the Phoenix chicken.
Ha
But
ha.
Chef Pepperjack made off with one of her eggs for his omelet of spicy doom.
Are we
Oh,
sure
boy.
that's a bad thing? I mean, it sounds delicious.
It's a bomb, Flynn. Remember?
Oh, yeah. We better go after that guy. And probably stop for some lunch right afterwards, because now I'm hungry.
My favorite part was the smashing.
All villains captured. Check.
Okay, now that we've got that ship on the run, I have used my secret ninja commando tracking skills to locate his position. Wait, how exactly does one use secret ninja tomato? No, you know what? Never mind.
Oh, that's great news, Buzz. Flynn and I will fly the Skylander out there, and we can finally take down this creep.
I should warn you that the ship cruises around in some kind of super blender. Looks a little silly, but it's got some serious anti-aircraft weaponry.
Yes.
And that's why I outfitted Flynn's ship with some serious anti-aircraft weaponry. Exactly. Oh, and Skylander, some cool skeleton dude came by looking for you.
Ah, skeleton. They're gonna be fun. But this is the end of today's episode. So if you guys like this episode and wish for more content, please like and subscribe and follow me on my channel and comment on future episodes. This is Gamer A signing out.